Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll show you how I made this pineapple wine. This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. It doesn't require any special machine or ingredient that you cannot afford. This is something you have within your space. Here I'm using this 3-hole pineapple. I'll be peeling it off. So if you have the overripe one, that's the perfect, but I cannot find overripe pineapple. So I'm using this pineapple. It's still sweet. So I'm saving the peel because I'll be using it for another recipe. So I will slice it into a little tiny piece. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I already finished the slicing, and now this is the jar I'm gonna use for this wine. I removed the valve because it have a valve for the degassing. So I'll be pouring the whole pineapple all inside this jar, and I'm using 2 cups of sugar for this recipe. Here is the active dry wine yeast. Yes, if you don't have this, you can use ordinary yeast. It still works the purpose. And here I'm adding my 8 cups of water. This water, make sure it's room temperature water. And stir everything to well combine. So I will cover it and I will keep it in a dark place for 14 days. In between that 14 days, I'll keep stirring it every 7 days, then I'll stir it. So this, after 14 days, you can see it's well fermented, but not yet complete, not yet the way I want it. At this time, if you want to stop, up to you, but I still want to take it to 21 days. Now I'll be draining out all the wine to another jar. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel at GLAATORY or follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, I wonder what you're waiting for. Why don't you subscribe, follow me, like my video, comment and share. You can see, you ask me why is it so like a kind of cloudy, or it's still okay. So I'm gonna let it sit for the 7 days to settle. This is after 7 days. In between, I will keep transferring, but I lost the video. I'll keep putting it in another jar in order to sieve out the bottom part. So I lost the video. You can see it's all ready. When I tested this, it was about 12% alcohol volume, so which is good. So why don't you give this a try? You can do it on your own, and I know you can. Why don't you try? Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, follow, comment, share, okay, and like my video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.